Hello and welcome to my Sunday Frump. Today is another haul and unboxing, and I just went and got the last delivery. So here it all is, and let's see what's in it. So I'm just gonna pick the packages first. Here I have some mac and cheese mix. It's a 6-pack. These are pine bark extract. And this is a measuring tape. I think it's for like a body, like a measuring tape for health. But I was gonna use it for like sewing and crafts and stuff. I didn't have one in my kit, so it was like a couple dollars. So I thought that was smart. These are jeggings, and they're pretty cute. They're nice and comfortable, and these are the kind I guess you can wear for pajamas because they're pretty thin. So I mean, they're thick enough like you can wear them all day, but they're pretty thin. These are size small, so this is cute. This is a shirt. It's in XXL. It's like brown. It's like brownish color. These are Sophie shorts. This is size 12-14 in girls. These are pretty cool looking. I got a dehumidifier. It's air purifying with active charcoal. So this is like gonna take the moisture out of the air. These little beads absorb all the moisture. Here's a Danielle Bernstein extra large. It's a sweater. It has shoulder pads in it. You can see. It's like let me see, what is it? It's like wool. It's really soft. It's acrylic, polyester, and spandex. So it's an acrylic sweater. Pretty cute, pretty classic. Really 80s. I really like it. These are deluxe foam plates. There's 15. I think I got a good deal. This one was like $2. So this is pretty good. This is like a cookout type plate, right? So you can fit everything. Or a pizza party. So here's mandarin orange splash drinks. And I bought mixed fruit, Dole, 100% juice. And restocking half cuts CLA gummies. These are really good. So that's my haul. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys again soon on my Sunday Fromp. Bye-bye.